In this video, we're going to look at how to make money online with free courses, ebooks and more. Now, what I'm going to go through is I'm going to show you absolutely everything you need to get started with this. I'm going to show you the different websites that you need to use. I'm going to show you how you can get instant access to literally thousands of courses, and I'll show you how once you've taken those courses or once you've got access to free ebooks and free PDFs and free reports, how you can make money with them. This is absolutely free to get started with, and there's something in this video for absolutely everybody, whether you're looking for courses on how to make money online, whether you're looking for courses on blogging or graphic design or absolutely anything. I'll go ahead and I'll show you exactly where you need to go and how you basically get all of this information, and then you can start generating money with this. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. This one here, and it's called onlinecourses.oo. So again, I'll drop a link down below for you. But basically on this website here, you're going to find literally thousands. You can see here, there's currently 6,450 free active online courses. Now, to go ahead and get these courses for free, you simply come over to this website and you can just scroll through and have a look at what people have got on here. Now again, there is categories on here. You can go through and have a look at this up here, and you can search for coupon codes. But basically what's happening on here is people are launching new courses on Udemy and Skillshare and many other different platforms, and for whatever reason they just want an influx of people to go ahead and take their online courses, really. So you can come through here and get absolutely courses for free, and you can see on here there's just lots and lots of different categories available. There's something for every single category on here. So to go ahead and take any of these online courses, you simply click on here and then it will take you through to the course. So if I click on here, it's then directing me over to Udemy, and you can see here this is the course, 30 simple tips for easy weight loss, and this is, you can see it's a free course. So go here, click on enroll now, and you get access to this free course here. And so with this course here, you can see you get 1 hour on demand videos, 3 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on here. So this is just one of the sites that you can use. But if you scroll through here and have a look at all the different options on here, there's, like I said, there's something for everything. You will find courses on here for weight loss, you will find courses on here for make money online, you've got graphic design, you've got really technical things like coding on websites, and I don't even know what that is, I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what that one is. But you've got one here, short story writing step by step. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and look at this. There's just, like I said, there's thousands of different courses on here that you can go ahead and take for free. So one thing what I would recommend on here as well is sign up to the email, because what happens is every single day they go ahead and send you an email, funnily enough, and what it will do is it will pick out the 10 best products which most people are going ahead and clicking through and getting. So go ahead and sign up to the email, and then you can get this. So look again on the right hand side here, you've got one here, Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery guide, and there's just so many different courses on here that you can go ahead and take. Then what happens is once you've gone ahead and you've taken these courses in a particular topic or a particular niche, then you can go ahead and offer your own services. So if you were to go ahead and take, for argument's sake, let's scroll down here and say this one here, this Facebook ads and mastery guide, you could then go ahead and start creating. You could create gigs on Fiverr.com. You could go ahead and put up a gig on Fiverr, and you could start running people's Facebook ads and managing their social media for them. You could go on to different freelancing websites like Upwork.com or Guru.com, and again you could go ahead and offer the services that you basically have now learned. You've now got the new skills after going ahead and taking these courses over on Udemy, Skillshare, wherever. But basically all of these on here, everything you can see on this page, it's all absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. So I highly recommend this. I've been a member of this site now for probably about 2 months really. But again, up here on the right, up here on the top, you've got categories. So if you're looking for something specific, then just go into the categories tab and scroll through and have a look at what's available on here. But it's a great way to go ahead and get access to online courses. Now I've got access to some of these online courses in the past. I got an access to I think it was a graphic design one. It was basically how to go ahead and use the software canva.com and how to, use it properly. And it was a really great course, and I learned lots of new tips on Canva. And again, if you was to go ahead and take a course related to Canva, then you could go ahead and use everything that you learned in that online course. And again, you can sell gigs on Fiverr. Simple things like creating YouTube templates or YouTube thumbnails, how to create Facebook banners, and all this sort of stuff. You will find all of these courses on here. So again, just go up here to the categories and you can just simply search, scroll through and have a look at what's available on here. The only thing about this site which frustrates me a little bit, as you can see, it's still loading, but because it's a free website, it does have a lot of ads on here which are popping up, so it does become a little bit frustrating. But you can see you can go ahead and search via all these different categories. I mean, this one's a great one, 3D rendering, 3D and animation, so this will be showing you how to create 3D videos and animations. And again, you learn these skills and then you can start offering your services on here. So this is the website. It's called onlinecourses.oo. So I'll drop a link down below for you, absolutely free. Go ahead and check this out. The next website I'm going to share with you is this one. Get rid of this, online courses. Get rid of this one here. The next one you're going to go ahead and have a look at is this one here, and it's called plrminds.com. And again, I'll drop a link down below for you, but on here you will find everything on here. Again, it's all free. You will find on here, you've got free ebooks. If you come down here, you've got graphics, you've got videos, you've got templates, you've got softwares. Now on here, scroll back up to the top, you can see here, you can get free ebooks with private label rights license. You can also get free ebooks with master resale rights license. So basically, you can go ahead, get these, download them, you then have the resale rights to these, so then you can go ahead and sell these and make money. And you can sell them on many different platforms. You can sell them on eBay, you can sell them on Amazon, Fiverr.com, Facebook, Craigslist, wherever basically. But we'll go ahead and have a look at some of these free ebooks that are available on here. So all of these, you simply you create a free account and then you simply come in here and you click on get it now and it will download it for you. And again, there's hundreds of these, so you can go through and you can find all of these. And now what you can do in this example is you can download these. You can get, say, 3 or 4 in the same niche and put them together and sell it as as a bundle. There's just so many different ways that you can do this. I see people selling these on eBay and Amazon as well. Again, it's just a really simple way to do this. But in terms of sort of passive income with this, what I would recommend is go over to Fiverr.com, create an account, and then set up some of the gigs selling these simple PLR products, because there are people over on Fiverr selling these products. And again, it's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. All it will take on your behalf is a little bit of time going ahead and setting this up. Now also on this PLR Minds, along the top, again, you can go into each of these ones, these different categories on here, ebooks, there's video, like I say, there's videos on here, so you could use things on the videos on here. So in the video that we did on, I think it was Monday, when we did the video on Monday, what you could do is you could go ahead and look for videos that you could then start sharing on YouTube and building a YouTube channel using these free Creative Commons videos and start earning an income on there. Now you've also got software on here. Now you can go ahead and have a look at this. Personally, I would say stay away from the software, because if it's a free software, it's not going to be updated that often. So if you maybe going ahead and selling these softwares and then they're not getting updated and they're breaking, then you're going to have a lot of angry people basically. So I would stay away from softwares. The next one you've got are these templates. Now I do like these templates on here. Now you can see here, they provide ready-made web templates. These include sales pages, landing pages, and there's more on here. And again, you simply just click on get it now and it'll start downloading for you. But you can see you've got 5 free website templates. You've then got something here related to gardening. If I scroll down here, you've got more landing pages on here, and you've got basically these are different templates for blogs and websites. So again, what you can do is you can go ahead, you can download these templates, then you can offer these services over on Fiverr and eBay, Amazon, etc. You've got some more over here, like this one here, this law of attraction. This looks like an ebook template, but again, there's just many options on here to go ahead and get your free resources, and then once you've got those, you can go ahead and sell those. You've then got graphics, so you've got stock photos and video stock photos. You've also got some video files in here, so you can go ahead and have a look at this. Now this one here, this WordPress over here, this isn't free, so this will not give you any free resources on here. But basically what you can go ahead and purchase on here, and this stuff on here is very cheap, but basically you've got different options for WordPress plugins and themes. So basically different things that you can sell to website owners or bloggers on here. You can go through and check these out, and then if you go on the freebies page here, it just takes you back over to the home page. Like, it'll just go back over to the home page where you can go ahead and just go directly over to ebooks, videos, softwares or graphics. But that is pretty much today's video. That's 2 simple ways where you can go ahead and find free resources to make money online. They're all absolutely free to get started with, and what I would say to you is, on the first website that we looked at, this one over here, not this one, I can't find the tab for it now, but the website, I would say go ahead and make sure you sign up to the daily email. Get access to the daily email, because like I say, they do send out some really good courses, and some of the courses, they have a limit on the number of people that they will give it away to for free. Now normally it's capped at 1,000 people. I've seen that people do tend to cap the courses at 1,000 people, so if you're on the email list, then you'll know exactly when the new courses are being uploaded onto the platform, and then you can go ahead and get access to that. So that's today's video. If you've got any questions, leave them below, but thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.